Ever wondered how to master the art of short-term trading? Well, buckle up because today we're diving deep into a basic short-term trading strategy that could help you navigate the financial markets like a pro. First on the agenda is research and analysis. Begin by scouring the market for stocks or assets that display high liquidity, volatile behavior, and recent price shifts. Harness the power of technical analysis tools, such as charts and moving averages, to pinpoint potential entry and exit points. The second step involves setting clear goals and determining your risk tolerance. Decide how much capital you're prepared to risk on a single trade and establish profit targets. This strategy will aid you in making disciplined decisions and managing your emotions during rapid market fluctuations. Up next, choose your short-term indicators. Popular options include the MACD, stochastic oscillator, and Bollinger Bands. These indicators offer valuable insights into overbought or oversold conditions and potential trend reversals. The fourth step is to craft a comprehensive trading plan. This should include details on entry and exit points, stop-loss levels, and position sizing. Adhering to this plan can help you avoid rash decisions, but don't forget to regularly review and tweak it based on the current market conditions. Don't underestimate the power of news and events. Keep up to date with relevant news and events that could impact the markets. Whether it's economic reports, earnings releases, or geopolitical events, these factors can significantly sway short-term price movements. Be ready to adjust your strategy on the fly. Moving to the sixth step, it's time to employ risk management techniques. Consider setting stop-loss orders to cap potential losses and never risk more than a small fraction of your trading capital on a single trade. Last but certainly not least, maintain discipline and control your emotions. Stick to your plan, resist making decisions based on emotions, and never chase losses. Remember, staying focused and objective is vital in the fast-paced world of short-term trading. In conclusion, while short-term trading can be lucrative, it necessitates meticulous planning, analysis, and discipline. Regularly assess your strategy, learn from past trades, and adapt to the ever-changing market conditions. Here's to successful trading.